Today we're going to have a closer look at the Poker Ace, our portable tournament director that does more than just a timer would do. It actually allows you to program all aspects of your tournament, including your pot size, the amount of players that you have, and your payout schedule. So to turn it on, you're basically going to hit your play button, and it will start to fire up. Now, the first screen that you see will tell you to go into start a new tournament. In order to do that, you hit the play button, and it gives you a bunch of different options. It has 8 programmable tournament structures that are already set in the machine, or you can set your own. If you want to set your own, you simply scroll to tournament option number 9 or number 10, and you're allowed to enter the blinds that you like. Okay, so now we're ready to start our tournament. And as you can see, we have it in tournament structure number 9, which allows you to create your own blinds with a customizable option. So the first thing you want to do is hit the pause button, which is located on the top of the device. That allows you to get into edit mode. Now you can scroll through each of the options and you can make modifications. So in this case here, we are going to have an add-on. So we're going to change that to yes. We are going to also allow for rebuys, so we're going to change that to yes. In the next step, we're going to be able to control our small blind, big blind, and if we want, we could also include an ante. Right now it's preset where this first round, small blind is set at 5 and the big blind is set at 10. If you want to increase the amount, simply press the play button and you could increase it. Let's say we're going to set it for 25, 50. The nice thing about the Poker Ace is as you adjust the small blind, the big blind is being adjusted as well. Makes it a lot quicker to set up. So there you go. Now we have our first round set where the blinds are 25 and 50. You can continue to scroll through and adjust the different levels until you get the tournament to how you like it. Takes a few minutes to set it up, but once it's set up, you can store it in memory and you could use it for next time. Enter the number of players. Enter the starting chip count. And as you see, as the number gets higher, it'll increase faster. Let's say, for example, we're going to start the tournament with 500 chips. You could choose to do buy-ins or rebuys. Let's say, for example, the buy-in amount is $20 for this tournament. The Poker Ace will actually calculate your percentage payout and it'll assign a value to give each player at the end of the tournament. Add-ons. You could choose to have an add-on. Let's say for in this case, we're going to do an add-on at $15. Rebuys. You could also choose or select rebuys. Let's set it at $15 as well. Now you could also select where you want to allow the players to rebuy and at what level they're able to rebuy. In this case here, it's set at level 1. Now here's your breakdown schedule. This is actually a percentage breakdown of how much you're going to pay each player as they finish. In this case here, first place wins 50% of the pot, second place wins 30% of the pot, third place wins 20% of the pot. If you like, you can modify the numbers, simply scroll through them and adjust them. Now you're ready to start the tournament, hit the play button, and you're good to go.